That was a selection of the highlights and the best corners in Erice. Erice is a beautiful medieval village, 3,000 feet above sea level. We are in the westernmost point of Sicily. This medieval village was founded by the ancient Hellenians about 3,000 years ago, and now is one of the highlights in our tours of Sicily. This is included in all our Sicily Lovers Tours, the group tour reserved for about 20 people, and is highly recommended in all our custom private tour of Sicily. Smile! Smile and raise your hands! Oh, beautiful people! Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We will help you enjoy a memorable experience. Thanks for watching. See you the next one. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.